1 layer challenge. Can I, someone who always uses hundreds of layers in my drawing, be able to finish a drawing with only 1 layer? Without further ado, let the challenge begin. I will be drawing Renova from Genshin Impact this time, since I wanted to do this as well with the rest of the other Celestia rulers, but with a different challenge on each of them. And this time, I want to try drawing in 1 layer, which means I will have to use the painting method. I won't be able to do line art first, I won't be able to use border feature from Clip Studio Paint that I religiously use. So, it will be pretty much a pain in the... Starting out confused what I should do, I decided to draw a sketch like I usually do. And then, to make it easier to paint, I start from the lowest layering within this canvas. You get what I mean? Simply, imagine it like a real face. Which part that will be covered by something, and which one will be the one covering it. Which, in this case, the sequence will be the face skin, the eyes, and on the top is the bangs. And actually, I should have done the neck at the start, but it's okay. We'll work it out somehow. So yeah, starting with the face, I made sure to paint the overall lighting in first, so I can have the full picture. And then I slowly render the skin. I'm just gonna keep the skin smooth and clean. And in this challenge, the most useful tool for me is the lasso and magic wand tool. They are such a lifesaver. Then onto the next layer, which is the eyes. I start by detailing the iris first, since I need it to be finished before I draw the lashes over the eyes. I wouldn't want to go back to detailing the iris again later, since it will be quite tricky. After struggling for around, 40-ish minutes, I realized that I forgot to change my canvas size. That's why I had a hard time with drawing in the details in the eyes. Now, let's make sure to draw those unique design of her eyes nicely. After finished with iris, I can finally paint the lashes. Now, painting the bangs that covers her eyes. Oh wait, that's wrong. I need to draw the eyelid and that will be tricky. Never mind, we have a magic wand tool. Thankfully, the skin colors are still flat, so we can choose the skin area cleanly and draw the eyelid inside the selection, keeping the bangs untouched. Easy peasy. That is why magic wand tool is our lifesaver. Now, we continue with the bangs and the rest of the hair, keeping in mind though which part that got hit by the direct lighting. I want to make depth in this drawing to enhance the simplicity, so I'll be blurring out the rest of her back hair. Despite the fact on using only one layer, We can still paint using layer blending mode thanks to the settings being available for each brush individually. So, I can still make this shiny add glow effect with my airbrush. And then we add some sparkles. And this shiny part is for the ambience, of course. And voila! We're done! I completed the 1-layer challenge. Even though I know, probably you think that I cheated by only drawing a simple piece. But still, it was a lot of challenge for someone like me who uses a hella lot of layers. So yeah, thank you for following along my challenge video. I hope you enjoyed my spontaneous process and learned some stuff from my painting process. I definitely had fun doing the challenge and I hope to do more soon. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!